Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today I'm sharing a super simple and healthy granola bar recipe that you can easily make at home. These soft and chewy bars are made with wholesome ingredients that give you energy and keep you full. They are super satisfying, perfect for snacking, and they taste much better than the store-bought ones. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So we'll start by roasting the nuts. In a pan over low to medium heat, add 1/4 cup peanuts, 1/4 cup almonds, 1/4 cup walnuts and 1/4 cup cashews. Roast them for about 5 minutes. Stir continuously so they don't burn. Once done, turn off the heat and let them cool for a while. Once cooled, transfer the nuts to a food processor or blender and blend until they turn into a smooth and creamy nut butter. This process takes some time, so pause occasionally, scrape down the sides if needed, and continue blending until you get a creamy consistency like this. The nut butter is ready. Now add 1/3 cup honey, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. And blend again until everything is well combined. Transfer this mixture to a bowl. Add 2 cups of oats and 1/4 cup raisins. And mix well until everything is nicely combined. Now transfer the granola mixture to a square pan lined with parchment paper. Using a spatula, press it down evenly and firmly into the pan. Sprinkle some chopped nuts and seeds on top. I am using hazelnuts, cashews and pumpkin seeds, but you can use your own favorites. And if you like, you can also add some dark chocolate chips. Press the toppings gently into the mixture so they stick well. And it's ready to go into the oven. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, let it cool completely. These granola bars make the perfect snack. Loaded with nuts and oats, these bars are rich in healthy fats and fiber that keep you full and fuels your day. Perfect for lunch boxes, post-workout, or anytime you need a boost. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are looking for a healthy snack that's easy and delicious as well, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.